India Startup 360, an ecosystem which offers a comprehensive solution to the three key problems faced by startups, namely, mentor, money and market. IS360 is organizing a Virtual Startup Expo 2021 from 7th to 9th of May. Key attractions of this virtual expo: startups can digitally showcase their capabilities and interact with mentors, investors and buyers. Entrepreneurial Development Program on 7th and 8th by Bharatiya Yuva Shakti Trust and IS360 jointly. Leading public sector banks like SBI, IOB, IDBI, Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda and Bank of Maharashtra have exclusive finance arrangements with Bharatiya Yuva Shakti Trust. Startups can avail of collateral-free loans of up to 25 lakhs. Bharatiya Yuva Shakti Trust provides this facility in 12 clusters across India. Pitch day for growth startups seeking funding from angel investors and venture capitalists on the 9th of May. Finance partners like AH Ventures, Growth Launchers, Letwing Ventures, UK India Startup Corridor and United Business Ventures, Mars Foundation etc. will focus on growth startups looking for equity funding. IS360 will also be launching their ambitious Business Idea Generation Big Meets program on the 9th of May formally. Many ADP cell or incubation centers across India shall be taking part in this mega event and present the pitch desk. The registration can be done using this link. If your invitation cell is willing to jointly organize the event and promote it aggressively, please feel free to contact us.